You know, we've been seeing these headlines of Sonakshi Sinha in interviews these days that I don't give a damn, I don't give a shit and all that. You know, मुझे लगा कि तेवर उनके अंदर भी एक बहुत हद तक मतलब सामने आ रहा है that total
आखिर बेटे किस
I don't give a you know the headlines are like that these days. I don't give a damn, I don't give a shit. So उसमें एक तेवर मतलब लेडी तेवर उनके अंदर भी नजर आ रहा है.
तो देखिए तेवर हर किसी में कूट के भरा होता है
जी.
चाहे वो आप में भी काफी तेवर मेरे को दिख रहे हैं.
आपकी दुआ है.
सो तेवर हर किसी में दिख रहा होता है और वो तेवर अगर हम उसको पॉजिटिव तरीके से अगर पकड़ें तो ज्यादा बेहतर है बिकॉज तेवर को जनरली नेगेटिव कनोटेशन मिलता है.
Right.
सो इफ
Attitude. You're saying about attitude.
So positive attitude.
तेवर मींस एटीट्यूड.
Witness the brand new attitude of Indian cinema. That's what you're saying.
या सो और हर इंसान में वो एटीट्यूड होता है. कोई ना कोई किसी में अलग तरह का एटीट्यूड होता है, किसी में अलग तरह का एटीट्यूड होता है. सो if attitude is coming out, I think it's good.
जैसे सोनाक्षी का एक एटीट्यूड जो मुझे पता है आफ्टर वर्किंग ऑन सेट विद हर एज एन एक्टर इज दैट शी इज द मोस्ट नॉन फसी पर्सन. तो उसका एटीट्यूड ये है कि फिल्म फर्स्ट अबव ऑल थिंग्स एल्स.
Right.
बिकॉज वी मेड her do so much action in this film because it's an on the run film. तो भागने से लेके हार्नेस पे चढ़ने से लेके
And she's dancing as well.
she is dancing and she injured herself when she was still performing. All those aspects. मतलब बाइक पे मेरे साथ बैठ गई और she has to have that belief कि मैं कुछ करूँगा नहीं गड़बड़.
And not only that, it's like taking her to locations which are like Agra, Mathura, Akluj, Sambar, everywhere. You know, but that
her attitude in life is कि मैं करूँगी पिक्चर के लिए, which is that
Fantastic.
वो तेवर.
जी बिल्कुल. Finally, last question. You know, many people have been asking this in the promo. We see this portion when you actually throw Sonakshi and she's just falling down and everything. I think that is something that a lot of people, you know, कि क्या हुआ उसके बाद and all that stuff.
वो feeling आई ना.
100%.
फिर हमारा काम सक्सेस.
100%. So in terms of action, anything if you want to say or maybe about that scene if you want to say something.
See, that scene is a very important scene, so I'm glad that you've caught that and that question has come. That means the trailer works and creates intrigue.
As a viewer, you have that thing. क्या ये
हाँ, correct.
मतलब कोई उसको जो भी है.
But the action is very it's very reactive in the sense कि ये लड़का कुछ करने नहीं जाता. He's only trying to save her. So all the action is when he's pushed against a wall. So it's him trying to just protect himself and her.
Right.
So
See,
there is an emotion to it in that sense.
And also अगर बात की जाए तो वो it was a difficult scene to shoot actually.
Must have.
And when she heard that you know she's supposed to do this, पहले तो मेरे को बोलने में थोड़ा सा ये हो रहा था कि अगर अच्छा अभी कल सुबह वो सीन शूट हो रहा है तो अभी मैं जाके बोलता हूँ. But when I told her in the morning, she said, I would love to do that. I enjoy doing all those things. You know? So I was relieved. You know.
Yeah, I can imagine.
But it,
Yeah, because she's actually hanging. She was actually hung from a 5th floor.
Right.
And
to
that
get
really
that
high.
shot right, we had to descend her from a height.
Harness and everything.
हाँ,
Yeah,
so, और वो खुद फोटो लेके इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल रही थी उसमें. So she was a different breed. But doing action is difficult physically.
Sure.
But when you have co-actors and you have a unit around that makes it so planned and professional, then you enjoy. पर action जब correct होता है तो बहुत अच्छा दिखता है.
क्या बात है.
Like Shyamji's boys are the true heroes. I would
Shyam
like to say
Kaushal.
Shyam Kaushal and his team are the true heroes to make us actors look good when we do action.
That's
last
true. That's very,
last question. Manoj Bajpayee, very fine actor, and I'm sure that you know I think you need a good negative character.
उनका missed call आया अभी आपके इस इंटरव्यू के दौरान.
बिल्कुल. So enjoyed working with Manoj Bajpayee.
I loved it. Honestly, मेरी एक भूख है जब से एक्टर बना तब से कि I should work with all the good actors possible
Right.
जो इंडस्ट्री में हैं.
Right.
I've been
You've done it
fortunate.
in
Chintu uncle,
Finding
Finding में Nasir sir, Pankaj sir, Irfan and Gunde. You know, so many fine actors, and I can just proudly add Manoj Bajpayee on in that list that I've got to learn by. मेरा बहुत कम काम है उनके साथ physically in the sense we have only few scenes together. They're key scenes but very few. But such a sorted individual, such a sorted person. हंसी मजाक करेंगे लेकिन कैमरा के सामने he just becomes another animal.
Absolutely.
And that is the understanding he has of the medium. Because if you meet him, he's a very normal looking person. But कैमरा के सामने जो उनकी personality उभर के आती है, जो एक screen presence है, उनकी आंखें बातें करती, he doesn't need to do too much. And I was watching, he's such a nuanced actor because he's learned, I mean, he's done theatre, he's done so much of work that
Sure.
he's a very, very good actor to work with.
No, absolutely. Pleasure talking to you guys, and looking forward to more stuff from Tevar, and all the best wishes. And
आज नहीं बोला मैंने.
What?
Keep on watching.
अभी खत्म का हुआ है.
अच्छा फिर ठीक.
So all the best wishes, and
Thank
looking forward to more. I think Radha is being launched.
Yes, tomorrow.
So all the best for that.
We're
and,
showcasing the whole song.
more stuff. Will they more like a theatrical trailer at the later part of it?
We will be coming up.
We are
One more
We are
theatre.
planning. We are
trying to
planning.
figure out a
Sure.
new
Another
spin
one.
on it. Let's see.
Acha.
But like tomorrow we're doing the entire song. normally you would get to see 2 minutes. No? Tomorrow we're showcasing
The
the
entire
song.
song is coming.
So it's something unique in that sense to kind of give you guys a bigger perspective of the scale of the film and what she's done
Nah,
as,
scale is
as a dancer also, what she's done in the song and the way Remo shot it.
she enjoys it. She loves that.
She loves dance.
She's a brilliant
loves
dancer.
that. She loves that. All right, so thank you very much, and that's all from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.